Did you notice that our sentiment score for music just hit an impressive plus 0.70? That's not just a number, it's a significant spike above the historical baseline, indicating a surge in positive sentiment around recent releases. With momentum holding steady at plus 0.00, it suggests that while the excitement is high, the pace of change isn't accelerating just yet. This is an ideal moment for you to leverage our API to analyze trends around new albums or singles. You can return detailed insights, including sentiment scores and semantic clusters, to understand how audiences are reacting. Imagine integrating this capability into your music recommendation engine to enhance user experience based on real-time emotional responses. Get started by visiting pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs. Let's build something insightful together.